What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of beat making. Today we're gonna make a nice cool beat. I hope you guys enjoy this. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and if you haven't seen the previous videos, make sure you go check them out because they all hot. Okay, let's get right into this session. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section right below. You don't know. Bless up. If you don't know, today is raining outside, so I'm gonna be making a little Lofi type of beat, just to keep it cool. So one, two, three. As you see, you don't need much to make a cool Lofi beat. Now I'm just gonna add some bass line and just to keep it heavy on the low ends, right? Check this. Nice. And now I'm just gonna add a little sample just to complete it, just to add that little finishing touch, right? I got this cool sample, check this. Yeah. Let's go. How about that? I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you like the video. Don't forget to tell your friends. Let's go.
Yeah,